Let me just see what this looks like, because I'm kind of trying, I feel like I'm in the hot seat. I think I prefer this. I'm trying a different setup today because, so you'll notice from my last videos, I'm very done up. I'm sat in my office, in my spare room, which I will be turning into more of like a YouTubey kind of area. But my big thing is I don't want to feel like I have to do those things in order to record a video. If you follow me on TikTok, the link is down below. If you don't, why? No, I'm only joking. But if you follow me on TikTok, then you know that I am very barefaced, just coming with you as I'm cooking, as and when. And I don't want to feel like in order to make a YouTube video that I've got to sit there all prim and proper, because I'm not very prim and proper. I don't know how, I'm looking in my camera there. I don't know how I'm going to feel about coming barefaced on YouTube, because these cameras, HD, they'll just uncover everything. But I want to feel like it's a more natural conversation with you. So let's just try this. I'll be doing a bit of both. I'm taking the spare bed down today so that I can have more room for activities in my spare room, so I can have like a little bit more of a YouTube setup. But we're going to try this. Let me know in the comments how you feel about it, because if you want me to go back to looking prim and proper, then I will doll my face up for you. But I think the more real I can be, the more the downloads, the energetic downloads and the wisdom just spins off my tongue. Okay, so yeah, anyway, thank you for coming back to my channel. If you like these videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Next time I'll be coming at you with more nails, because I desperately need them doing, and I'm having them done today. So what I want to talk to you about today is how it looks before it happens. And I've been quite open with this on TikTok. You are going to feel batshit crazy right up until the second it happens. So I've just started adding scripting again into my daily manifestation routine, because I fell off it for a while. All the things that I was scripting this time last year, they've all manifested now. So once they'd manifested, I kind of just fell off with it a little bit. Life happened, I was living in Ibiza, fun, moved back home, and now I'm in the, okay, 2024 is around the corner. What do I want kind of mentality. So I've been scripting again. And as I'm scripting, obviously I'm dreaming big for this time next year. And I would say 90% of you kind of goes, is this shit really possible? Is this gonna happen? So for example, some of my goals are to hit 100k on TikTok. I wanna hit 10k subscribers on YouTube by this time next year, which are very easily possible. But again, because I don't have them now, I'm like, can I do that? Can I do that? Can I do that? This time last year, I was scripting, I've got 10,000 followers on TikTok and I've got 55,000 now, come on. And I remember back then thinking, can I do that? Like, is that really gonna happen? That feeling, you kind of have to sit with that feeling. You have to let that feeling be there and not let it get in the way. Because I don't personally think, yes, we get into the knowing state. Yes, we affirm. Yes, we visualize. Yes, we get into the feeling state. But I don't, honestly, I need to stop scratching my nose in videos as well. So I've noticed that's something I do. I don't actually, for me personally anyway, that feeling never really leaves me when I'm manifesting something. I feel semi-batshit crazy right up until the point it manifests. I know I can do it. I believe I can do it. But knowing it's gonna happen, there is that there, but I just think, you're like, is anyone gonna find my journal? Are people gonna think I'm batshit crazy? Are these dreams too big? Some people, I got brought up in a household where my dreams were on the table. My mum and dad were very, if you want it, you've got it. They're both into the law of attraction, thank God. So anything I put on the table, they say go for. I know a lot of people don't get brought up in households like that. So you might think, is this possible for me? Do I dare even dream this? Can I have this? Is this available for me? Those feelings, personally, yes, work through resistance. Yes, work on affirmations to deal with these kind of limiting beliefs. But I am comfortable with that sitting with me and knowing that I can still get what I want. And that's my way around it. I like to think of it as, well, I'm going to feel this way anyway. So I can work really hard to really diminish all of this resistance, or I can accept the fact these feelings are never truly going to leave me. And to be honest, I don't really want them to truly leave me, because I'm probably not dreaming big enough if I'm not a little bit like, is this going to happen? So I just accept the fact I can have those feelings and I can still get what I want. And I know I can still get what I want because I felt it about everything I've ever manifested. So that's my bit of wisdom for today. It's okay to not be sure to the 9th degree. And I'm probably going a bit backwards on some of the things I've probably said in the past, or what other creators are saying about being in the knowing state, living in the end. I just thoroughly believe I can have these feelings, I can have resistance, I can have doubts, and I can still have the thing. Because my faith is way bigger than any of that. Like, yes, I'll feel that way, but my faith, that my faith muscle is massive. So I know my faith is going to outpower any of those feelings. I know that fear is always going to be in the show at some point, some way, somehow. That's fine, but my faith is way bigger than my fear, and I just work on that. Another thing I want to talk about today, and I'm not going to go into it too much, but I was watching a Steve Harvey motivation speech last night because I love Steve Harvey. He's really into the law of attraction and he's a man of God, and I relate to a lot of things he's saying about spirituality and things like that. And he said, if God told you that by August 2000, he didn't say August 2024, but he basically said, if God told you August 2024, you're going to have everything you ever wanted, he said, how would you show up in the meantime? How would you be talking? How would you be moving? How would you be acting? What would your faith be like? How excited would you be? What would your confidence be like? And that's what I want to leave you with going forward today. Everything I was scripting this time last year has come true. Through faith and through working towards it as well. Because obviously you got to put the work in if you want to be a content creator. But the followers, the income, the living in Ibiza, the friendship groups, like everything I was scripting has come true. So your scripting almost is like your crystal ball. It's my crystal ball at this point because I know I can make that happen. If I did what I did last year, I can do what I want to do now next year. So if you had a crystal ball and the universe was like, yes, you can absolutely have all this by August 2024. Or if you want to go to the year mark, November 2024, that's going to be your reality. How would you be showing up today? What would you be believing about yourself, about your abilities, about you as a person? What would your self-concept be like? What actions would you be taking? What would you be wearing? Who would you be hanging out with? What the fuck would you be doing? And start living like that now. And then it'll come. So yeah, that's my little bit of wisdom for today. Again, I'm not really sure how this video is going to go down because it's a bit different. I do feel like I'm on stage, like you can't really see me, but let me just show you. Like I'm sat on my stool, one leg cocked up, one leg like, oh God, now what have I done? One leg like, just like, I just feel like I'm an old timer giving you my life lessons. I think it's a little bit more, I feel like I'm just having a chat with a friend, and that's how I want my videos to feel. So I would love your feedback. Please give it to me in the comments below, and I will see you next time for the next video.